In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Format panel in Draw.io using a keyboard shortcut. If you're working in Draw.io and want quick access to styling tools without hunting through menus, this is going to make your workflow smoother. The Format panel is where you adjust the look and layout of your shapes and diagrams, so having it a keystroke away is a real time saver. Start by heading to the Draw.io website in your browser. Once the editor loads, you'll see the main canvas in the center with your diagram area. On some layouts, the Format panel may already be visible on the right side. On others, it might be hidden. Either way, we'll use a shortcut to make sure it appears exactly when you need it. Here's the key move. Press Ctrl, Shift, and P together. Think of it as holding Ctrl and Shift, then tapping P. This command tells Draw.io to bring up the Format panel. If the panel was already open, the same shortcut toggles its visibility, which is helpful when you're working on a smaller screen and want more space on the canvas. If you don't see anything change, make sure the Draw.io window is active and that your cursor has been clicked inside the editor so it registers the shortcut. When the panel appears on the right, that's your hub for visual adjustments. You'll find controls for colors, borders, line styles, shadows, gradients, text formatting, alignment, and arrangement. Selecting any shape on your canvas updates the panel with relevant options for that selection, so you're always seeing the tools you need in context. It's an efficient way to experiment with styles, keep branding consistent, and tidy up layouts without leaving the canvas. Remember, the shortcut is there anytime you need it. Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Over time, it becomes second nature, and you'll notice fewer clicks and a faster rhythm as you design. If you're switching between shapes and the controls look different, that's normal. The panel adapts to what you've selected. No extra configuration is required. And that's it. You've gone to Draw.io and used a single shortcut to open the Format panel. Keep this keystroke in your toolkit whenever you want instant access to styling and arrangement options. It's a small habit that makes a big difference in speed and clarity while diagramming. If this was helpful, keep practicing the shortcut so it becomes muscle memory. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming in Draw.io.